Hey everybody, it's Pretty Geek and Sven.
Yeah.
And what are we doing?
We're not going to do one of the Dimensions packs.
Nope, we're not going to do a Lego Dimensions pack.
No. And we're not going to do a keystone.
No.
And we're not going to do a shirt.
Okay.
We're going to do a Loot Crate.
Loot Crate Day!
I've got it right behind me. Not right behind me. More because he's too impatient.
Your face is impatient.
Hey!
Ah!
Your face is impatient, Dad.
Are we going to do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so is your bum.
What? That's not nice. Call my bum impatient. Oh, it's up to that. Okay, we need a pen. Do you know where a pen is? It's backwards. Can you find me a pen?
Okay. Why not pencil?
Oh, whatever. Something to open the tape.
I know there's...
Oh, no, a Lego sword.
Oh, okay. Let's use the Sword of Fire.
Let's use the Sword of Fire.
Sword of Fire from Lego Dimensions.
Okay. Okay.
Type.
Can I just have it?
There you go.
Thank you.
Sword of Fire.
Sword of Fire.
Really rare.
Is it rare?
Yeah. It only came out in...
It's not sharp enough. I'm bending it.
He only came out in the... It only came out in...
Nope, it's not gonna work. I need...
A batarang?
No, maybe a batarang.
Batman has two in his hand already.
Okay, I'll try that.
Or we could use one of the ones on the rebuild Batmobile.
Just give me something to open.
It's really sharp and it doesn't bend. I've actually tried it. Some of them are really pointy.
Yeah.
It would work.
Yeah, batarang.
From the Bat Blaster.
Okay, let's see what we got. What month is it?
I don't remember, but I see Spider-Man. A white.
Hey, my Loot Crate.
I know what it is. Go, Spider-Man.
Whoa, it's cool, black and white.
It's Daily Spider-Man. It's the
Too big.
For me, it actually looks like Ghost Spider-Man. That's what it looks like. It looks like Ghost Spider-Man.
Oh, it's cool. He hangs from like a light post.
Yeah, light post. I think this was the olden days when everything was black and white.
Because everything was black and white in the olden days?
Yeah, including the shows. Like the webs.
Including the shows. Real life was black and white too. Oh, he's cool. He hangs. He's...
And he wobbles. Wait.
Yeah, he's neat. Okay.
The top of it can move a little.
A little bit. Okay.
Cool.
So, we'll put him over here. What else we got?
Limbs.
Shirt. Comes in everyone.
What type of shirt?
I don't know.
A Transformers!
Who's on it?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. He's my favorite.
And I got him a big fig of him.
Really?
Yeah, really? You remember it from Family Day?
He's pretty cool.
I got it for you on Family Day.
On Family Day, you got... Oh, right. That's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay. What else we got? What's this?
Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
Hulk bowl.
6 bowl.
A 6-inch bowl. That little symbol means
6
inches.
bowl. Wow, that's neat. It's like I could be the Hulk and lend it to you. Hulk smash.
Yep. Nice. I'm gonna have cereal in that one day. What else we got? Oh, we got... What is this? The new 52 DC Comics poster collection.
Wow, it's probably mini posters.
It's mini posters, but...
Oh, I think I just saw... Yes, Superman.
Superman.
Superman in it. Oh.
Because Superman is in DC?
Oh, definitely Batman versus Superman. Oh, Bloody Batman.
Bloody Batman.
Ew.
We got...
Oh, I love that
Batman.
one.
These are pretty
Robin!
cool little sort of like poster...
Robin.
Like, yes, I
love
can
Robin.
see that it's Robin.
He's one of my favorite guys.
Little, like, sort of card-size posters that you can pull out and put up on your wall. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
What else? I really like that Spider-Man fig. And pin comes in all of them. Little peeps the pin. What is it?
Zombie.
Zombie?
Mm-hmm.
Alter Ego. So it's June Loot Crate Alter Ego.
June.
Yep.
We're
actually still in June. They did good this month.
almost July.
Almost July. July tomorrow. But and then the book that tells you about the stuff that you got. And this looks like it's gonna fold out into
A transformer.
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime.
Okay, this one I'm actually gonna take and like make into the thing. It's what I don't think I've ever like punked out one of the boxes that becomes another thing.
No, but I
this
like.
one I'm gonna because it's Optimus Prime.
No, he hasn't. But I really liked with the Harley Quinn one. They actually gave you the instructions on how to do it.
Oh.
Yeah, they did. Remember that?
No.
They actually did.
You remember things better than me.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all for today.
Yep.
I really like this guy. He's pretty great. Do you want to do the song?
Yeah. Beardy Geek and Sven. Beardy Geek and Sven. Beardy Geek and Sven. Beardy Geek and Sven.
They can't. Okay.
Sorry,
Bye, everybody.
Sorry, man, like dimensions.
They're looking at your armpit.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.